evening, children. Let us continue with our topic, direct and indirect speech. We are solving the textual question from your textbook. Look at the question. It is given in your textbook. First question. He said, I am working in the Park Street office today. So now here you see I have solved this question. The reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is given in present continuous tense and it is a declarative sentence. So it will be he said. The relative pronoun which will be used to join the clauses will be that, since it is a declarative statement. Therefore the subject of the reported speech is I. We know that it is first person, so which changes to the subject of the reporting verb. Subject of the reporting verb given here is he, so it will be he. There shall not be any change. Now present continuous tense. So present continuous tense will be changed to past continuous tense. Therefore he was working in the Park Street office, and we know that in direct and indirect speech today changes to that day, so it will be that day. Remember, my dear students, all the sentences in the indirect speech ends with a full stop. Remember that. Next question, let us try to solve this. She said, I think a new party will win the election. So this is the reported speech. Here also is a declarative statement. So therefore she said, it will be the relative pronoun will be that. Now here the first person again is, the subject of the reported speech is in first person. First person we know that changes to the subject of the reporting verb. Subject here is she, so it will be she. Now tense, what is the tense you see here? I think. The tense here is simple present tense. In simple present tense changes to simple past tense. So she think will be changed to thought. GST, thought a new party would be changed to would win the election. Next question you see here, my dear students. Priya says Anna lives in London. Here Priya says, the reporting verb here is in present tense, and we know that when the reporting verb is in present tense there shall not be any change in the reported speech. Not only in the simple present tense, when the reporting verb is in simple present tense and in future tense there shall not be any change in the reported speech. Therefore Priya says, again this is a declarative sentence, so the relative pronoun will be that. So no change. Anna itself is in third person, so Anna, no change, so lives in London. Next question. Afroz said, my friend is going to visit us next week. Now the reporting verb here is in past tense. Therefore Afroz said that. Why? Because again the reported speech is in declarative sentence, is a declarative statement. Therefore Afroz said that. Now ma will be changed to his friend. Now here you see what is the tense. Is going is a more plus ing form of verb is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense we know that changes to the past continuous tense. Was going to visit. Now us, this pronoun will be changed to them. Visit them. Now direct speech is given next week. We know that next week in indirect speech changes to the following week. The following week. Next question. Anna said they bought a brand new Honda City. Now this is also in past tense reporting verb, and the reported speech is a declarative statement. So Anna said that. Again that, they itself is in third person, so third person we know that does not change. First person changes to the subject of the reporting verb, second person changes to the object of the reporting verb, third person does not change. There shall not be any change in third person, so they. Now bought. They bought what tense? They bought is in simple past tense. So we know that simple past tense changes to the past perfect tense. Therefore they had bought a brand new Honda City. All the question in the indirect speech ends with a full stop. Remember. Now next question. Deve asked me, where did you go last weekend? Now here you see, this is an interrogative question. There are two types of interrogative question. One is interrogative verb question and the other one is WH question. The question that starts with WH words or how. So therefore here Dev asked me will remain the same. Dev asked me. Now here you have to remember that if the question is an interrogative, that is if the question is an interrogative, if the question is an interrogative verb question, then removing the inverted commas we use if or whether. But if it is starts with a WH words, then the same WH words is used in the indirect speech, which will act as the relative pronoun. Therefore where will be where. Now you see the tense. Now here you see which is the subject in the reported speech. Subject here is you. You is which person? Second person. So second person we know that changes to the object of the reporting verb. Object here is me. Therefore Devi asked me where I. Now did. So me will be changed to I. Now here you see did. Did means past tense. Past tense means past tense will be changed to past perfect tense. Simple past changes to past perfect tense. So where I had go. Third form of the verb go is gone. Where I had gone last weekend. Last means in indirect speech it will be changed to the previous weekend. I hope you have understood. We'll continue in the next video.